Today, I'd like to explain the custom modules of ACS3. Here's what we'll cover. We'll have a total of 13 sessions. I'll show this screen at the start so you can skip what you already know, and when reviewing, you can just check this table of contents to refresh your memory. The first video will cover module preparation. We'll start with what is a modular rig, then move on to adding the ACS3 base rig. That's the general order we'll follow. It's a short video, but I hope you find it helpful. Before making this video, I got live advice from the ACS3 community, including developers Lukasz Pazera and KR Graphics. I'd like to express my gratitude to them. Thank you very much. I was confused at first, but now I understand enough to make this video. Let's get started. First, what's a modular rig? Sorry, I'm really filming this as a beginner. This kind of character. Oh, sorry, you can hear mouse clicks. It's noisy when drawing, isn't it? I'm an animator, but I drew this quickly. A modular rig is like... Oh, I accidentally drew a model. This person's rig is... the mouse clicks are noisy when drawing. I apologize for that. This kind of character rig is typically a modular format in current DCC software. Separate from the character rig, there are modules for hands, legs, torso, and even tail modules. These are all combined with things like mouth modules to create a custom character rig. That's what we call a modular format. Modular. Yes, it's a modular format. SSD is modular, so we'll be developing this module today. It's simple. What I'm making is very basic. I'll create a planar IK with 3 joints. Planar IK, yes. With 3 joints. This is the goal. We'll make this kind of module. Alright, let's get back to the original setup. First, we'll add the ACS3 base rig. We'll start by adding the ACS base rig. Here it is. We'll add to this. So, yes. First, using the mod standard skeleton, we'll create a planar IK with 3 joints. Let's add the skeleton. Set this to 0 and align it on the x-axis. Set y to 0 too. We'll do this slowly. In the path view, Z is front, back, right, left. This is a 3-joint planar, IK pointing forward. It's not a planar IK yet, we've just placed the skeleton. Now we'll incorporate the planar IK. Okay. This is the plane IK state we've achieved. It's a standard rig for mods. Now that it's ready, let's hide the base rig's reference guide. Here it is. When you place the base rig, the reference guide appears. Go to the mod's top, then to the rig's top. Sorry, I misspoke earlier. At the rig's top, turn off the reference guide size display. It's gone now. That guide can be distracting during development, so I've hidden it. Now, let's see. The character is like this, but it's still in development. I'll label it as dev for now. Alright, next. Next is creating a new module. In this ACS character rig, we're developing an editing context. We've added a new module alongside the base in the character. The module has this folder structure: guide, edit guide, rig, and bind skeleton. I'll explain these as we go. But let's start by going to the module's top. We'll change its name. We can name it anything, but let's call it 3 Skeleton Planar IK. This is the side we're working on. We're making it at the center. Keep the ID. What's the ID of this module? To avoid confusion with other modules, please give it a unique name. For me, it's Takashi Nishikawa. I named it Uranai-Ki. The first aspect is when you place it, right as you drop it, which side to place it on, center, left, or right. This is really up to the creator's preference. Yeah, since I do a lot of drawing, I often draw faces looking to the left, so I think I'll build the rig facing left more often. And I'll go with left. This is a free choice. For the drop action, when you first place it, do you snap it to the mouse, just place it at the origin, align its height with the ground, or snap to mouse while setting it on the ground? For things like human feet, it's convenient to use the mouse snap setting. I'll use that this time too. File name. When you click save and such, without having to input manually, it'll use this name automatically. It's a handy feature for later. I'll use the same name as here. That completes the module name Idaho and drop action settings. Now we're ready to add content inside. It's still empty, just a placeholder. Look here. First we have the modules. There are IK guides and rigs. Going up a level, there's the base. We have the base module and the 3 skeleton planar IK modules we just made. Inside are the guides and rigs. That's the current state. In the next video, we'll add content to this. Thank you very much.